Hello friends, today we will discuss and learn the effect of physical parameters on the growth of bacteria. After watching this video, you will be able to learn effect of temperature on bacterial growth, effect of pH on bacterial growth, effect of gases on bacterial growth, effect of osmotic pressure on bacterial growth, effect of light on bacterial growth. Apart from the culture media, the physical parameters are very much essential for optimum growth of bacteria. The first physical parameter which affect on bacterial growth is temperature. The temperature, it may be any temperature which allows rapid growth of microorganism. Such a temperature is called as optimum growth temperature. The highest temperature means beyond that temperature bacteria do not show the growth. Such a temperature is called as maximum growth temperature, means the highest temperature at which microorganisms show the growth is called as maximum growth temperature. Suppose any bacteria which shows growth at 45 degrees Celsius and do not show the growth at 46 degrees Celsius, means the 45 degrees Celsius is the maximum growth temperature for that bacteria. Similarly, the lowest temperature at which microorganism shows growth is called as minimum growth temperature. Means suppose any bacteria which is showing the growth at 5 degrees Celsius and do not show the growth at 4 degrees Celsius, means the 5 degrees Celsius is the minimum growth temperature for that particular bacteria. And according to the temperature tolerance, bacteria are classified as psychrophiles. Psychrophiles are grow at 0 degrees Celsius but grow best at 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. Obligate psychrophiles are grow at 50 degrees Celsius or below. The next class is mesophiles. Mesophiles grow at 20 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Between this range, mesophiles grow. Means all pathogens for human and animals are mesophiles, because the body temperature lies between this range 20 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. The next class is thermophiles. Thermophiles prefer high temperature to grow at 40 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. Microbes extend into the mesophilic region are called as facultative thermophiles. This chart shows the temperature range for bacterial growth. First group is obligate psychrophiles, which shows growth at minimum temperature 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, optimum temperature range is 10 to 15 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. Example is Vibrio, Psychroerythrus. The second group is facultative psychrophiles, which having minimum temperature range is 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. Optimum temperature range is 25 to 30 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature is 35 degrees Celsius. Example is Pseudomonas fluorescens. Then mesophiles, which having minimum temperature range is 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. Optimum is 35 to 40 degrees Celsius and maximum is 45 degrees Celsius. Example is Corynebacterium diphtheri. Then the next group is facultative thermophiles, having minimum temperature range 35 to 40 degrees Celsius, optimum temperature range is 50 to 55 degrees Celsius and maximum is 65 degrees Celsius. Example is Streptococcus thermophilus. Then the next group is obligate thermophile, having minimum temperature range 50 to 55 degrees Celsius, optimum temperature range is 65 to 70 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature is 80 degrees Celsius. Example is Thermus aquatis. So these are the 5 groups with minimum, optimum and maximum temperature and example from each class. pH, the pH of the growth media or culture media of bacteria has profound effect upon the multiplication of microorganism. And according to the pH condition or pH tolerance, bacteria are classified as acidophiles, which are able to grow at pH range 1 to 6.5, which is acidic pH, hence the name is given as acidophiles, and the example of this class is Lactobacillus acidophilus. The next class is neutrophiles, which are able to grow at pH range 6.5 to 7.5, which is near to the neutral pH, hence the name is neutrophile is given, and the example is E. coli and Salmonella typhi. The next class is alkalophiles or basophiles. These bacteria are grow at pH range 7.5 to 14, which is a basic pH, hence the name is given alkalophiles or basophiles. Example is Vibrio cholerae. Then gaseous requirement. The principal gases that affect bacterial growth are oxygen and carbon dioxide, and according to the oxygen requirement, bacteria are classified as aerobic bacteria. Aerobic bacteria require oxygen for growth and can grow when incubated in an air atmosphere, that is 21% oxygen. Example of such a bacteria is E. coli and Staphylococcus aureus. Means aerobic bacteria strictly require oxygen for growth. Without oxygen they do not grow. Then anaerobic bacteria. Bacteria do not use oxygen for energy and growth because oxygen is toxic to such a bacteria, even in low level also. Such a bacteria is called as strict or stringent bacteria. But some bacteria can tolerate low level of oxygen level. Such a bacteria are called as tolerant or non-stringent, but they are anaerobic. The example is Clostridium species. Then the next class is facultative anaerobic bacteria. These type of bacteria do not require oxygen for growth, but if oxygen is available, they use it for energy production. Means this type of bacteria can be come under both categories, means aerobic and anaerobic, because they require oxygen. If they do not require oxygen, but if available, they can use as a energy production. Example is Pseudomonas species. Then microaerophilic bacteria. These bacteria require low level of oxygen but cannot tolerate atmospheric oxygen level. Example is Campylobacter jejuni, Lactobacillus plantarum. Then the osmotic pressure. Bacteria are most tolerant to the variation in osmotic pressure because mechanical strength of cell wall. Though the osmotic pressure varies media to media, bacteria can tolerate that variation in osmotic pressure because the composition and structure and rigidity of the cell wall, the mechanical strength is good of cell wall, and cell wall protect the bacteria from the difference and variation in the osmotic pressure. Then they can grow in widely variant contents of salt, sugar and other solutes. Sudden exposure of bacteria to high salt solution may cause plasmolysis. Hence 0.5% sodium chloride is always added to almost all culture media to make media isotonic to avoid the plasmolysis. Then the effect of light. Darkness is usually favorable for growth of bacteria because bacteria are very sensitive to UV radiation, direct light and other radiation. Usually they do not prefer lighty conditions for the growth. So this is all about the physical parameters which affecting the growth of the bacteria. If you have any question or query regarding this video, please comment your question. Thank you.